Well, hindi ko inaasahan na ganito mangyayari sa amin ngayon, lalabangan namin ang malaki itong Ginebra. Dahil I know na talaga nagprepara sila ng mahaba para dito sa amin. But I think the players, especially Junmar, one of the best game niya dito sa 5 game natin. Maybe because of the hype na it's Junmar versus Junmar Pardo versus Greg Slaughter. And I'm happy to see him na nagmamature siya. And then talagang dinala niya yung team namin. But ang sabi ko sa kanya before the game, so this is not your fight, it's the fight of our team. Your strength is with your teammate. And we will provide the necessary help para sa iyo yan. And mga players naman alam nila na kung sinong priority namin. But I'm happy to see all the players na talaga nasunod yung game plan namin.